Hi, fourth graders. I want to give you a quick tutorial video on how to use your digital reading and math logs. So let's go into what we need to. First, remember, these are going to be found on Google Classroom. All right, just updated the stream, so let's do that. So here's the weekly plan. I'm going to open that up. And I'm going to notice that here in the language arts column, you're expected to read 30 minutes. And we're going to use our digital reading log posted on Google Classroom. And then also in math, we want you to walk through first the practice pages in your math packet, then 2, 10 minutes extra math, and then 3, you have some options. You can go to Freckle, MobyMax, or do some of the Bridges online activities, okay? And then you need to go back to Classroom and make sure to log each of these activities. So let's go look at what the log looks like. Let's first do the reading. So as you can see, here's the reading. Imagine that Mr. Pishi read Charlotte's Web yesterday. That's an example. What I would do is I would type in the date here. Today is the 23rd. Okay. Maybe I'm going to be reading Iron Thunder. All right. So I would type Iron Thunder in here. As a class, we left off technically on page 139. Okay. So say I read from page 139. Now I'm going to make this part up. All right. I read to 160, and that took me about 35 minutes. Okay, so that's a simple example of how to fill out your reading log. At the same time, when you're doing your math activities, all right, it'll look something like this. All right, so first thing, I'm going to probably center this. All right, I'm going to do my math pages. Let me go back and look at the wording of that. All right. Yep, so the math packet. So I'm just going to simply type in math packet here. All right, I'm going to say that I start this at 10, work on it for, maybe it took me 15 minutes, and then I would type in here 15 minutes. All right. As I go through each of my activities, I can just simply enter down all in the same day over here. And now say I type in extra math. Okay, so I worked on that from, enter down again. Worked on that from 10:15 to 10:30. And oops, enter down 10:30. I'm going to work on it 15 minutes. Okay. And last but not least, maybe say I worked on Freckle. That's the last option I chose. And I decided to do that from 10:30. And actually, I have a little extra time, so I did it till 11. So I did it for a half an hour. Okay. That's what your math practice log should look like each day. I hope that helps. Please reach out to me with any questions.